The Loft Through Profiles tool is a very useful tool for creating some unusual shapes in Pro Desktop. To start off with, we will draw a simple square directly onto the base work plane. Then select work plane and new work plane and create another work plane. Use a drag handle and drag the new work plane up to the set height you want. Click OK, and then onto that work plane make a new sketch. Click OK, click the view on the work plane tool, and this time we will draw a circle coming out from the center. So at the moment we have one square sketch on the first work plane, the base work plane, then a circle on the next work plane, and again we will create another work plane above this of a distance of 50 or 150. Click OK, and again make a new sketch onto this work plane. You can at this point project one of these original sketches onto that work plane by simply using the select line tool, selecting the lines you want to project, and then clicking on line project, and that sketch is transferred to the top work plane exactly in the same place. We then can click on Feature Loft Profile to see how this works. At the moment no sketches are selected, so select your first sketch and you will see that it appears under the Profile dialog box. Select the second one and you'll see it appears as well, and finally the third one. And you will see as well a dashed line appearing which shows you the shape your loft should take. At this point click OK and you will see the sort of shape which you can create. Again we can redefine this by clicking on the features and right clicking on the loft and redefining it. This time experiment by moving the blue rectangle to the opposite corner. So you will see the dashed line is now moving directly across from one corner to the other. Click OK and you will see that it twists the shape. Again, this may not be what you wanted, so click on Features again, right click and redefine. At this point you can always select one of the sketches, redefine it, for example, make it smaller, change the position to where the drag handle goes. You can select each sketch in the Loft Properties dialog box. For example, you'll notice here the drag handle is now on the bottom sketch or the initial sketch, so you can move that if preferred, then click OK again. You can start to get an idea that this is a very useful tool for creating more organic or unusual shapes.